Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on C++ programming language. In this session we will learn about the installation of C++ compiler, we will write our first program, understand input-output and some more interesting topics. So let's start our session with installation of C++ compiler. There are many compilers available for C++. You need to download any one. Here, we are going to use Turbo C++. It will work for both C and C++. You need to watch the steps shown in the video to install it. Now let's write our first program in C++. Before starting the ABCD of C++ language, you need to learn how to write, compile, and run the first C++ program. I am writing a program on the screen, watch it carefully. #include iostream.h includes the standard input-output library functions. It provides cin and cout methods for reading from input and writing to output respectively. #include conio.h includes the console input-output library functions. The getch function is defined in conio.h file. Void main, the main function is the entry point of every program in C++ language. The void keyword specifies that it returns no value. Watch the video carefully. Now let's discuss about C++ basic input-output. C++ I/O operation is using the stream concept. Stream is the sequence of bytes or flow of data. It makes the performance fast. If bytes flow from main memory to device like printer, display screen, or a network connection, etc., this is called as output operation. If bytes flow from device like printer, display screen, or a network connection, etc. to main memory, this is called as input operation. You can see common libraries in C on your screen. Now let's see standard output stream cout. The cout is a predefined object of OStream class. It is connected with the standard output device, which is usually a display screen. The cout is used in conjunction with stream insertion operator to display the output on a console. Standard input stream cin. The cin is a predefined object of iStream class. It is connected with the standard input device, which is usually a keyboard. The cin is used in conjunction with stream extraction operator to read the input from a console. Standard end line, ENDL. The ENDL is a predefined object of OStream class. It is used to insert a new line characters and flushes the stream. Let's understand standard input-output with an example. Watch the example carefully. Now let's discuss about C++ variables. A variable is a name of memory location. It is used to store data. Its value can be changed and it can be reused many times. It is a way to represent memory location through symbols so that it can be easily identified. You can see the syntax of creating variable on your screen. Let's discuss rules for creating variables in C++. A variable can have alphabets, digits, and underscore. A variable name can start with alphabet and underscore only. It can't start with digit. No white space is allowed within variable name. And a variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword like char, float, etc. C++ data types. A data type specifies the type of data that a variable can store, such as integer, floating, character, etc. There are 4 types of data types in C++ language. Basic data type, it contains int, char, float, double, etc. Derived data type, it contains array, pointer, etc. Enumeration data type. And user-defined data types like structures. Now let's move to C++ keywords. A keyword is a reserved word. You cannot use it as a variable name, constant name, etc. List of C++ keywords are on the screen. You can use them. We will discuss the use of keywords in upcoming sessions. C++ operators. An operator is simply a symbol that is used to perform operations. There can be many types of operations like arithmetic, logical, bitwise, etc. There are following types of operators to perform different types of operations in C++ language. Arithmetic operators. Relational operators. Logical operators. Bitwise operators. Assignment operator. Unary operator. Ternary or conditional operator, and miscellaneous operator. Hope you liked this session. We will get back with more interesting sessions on C++ programming. Till then, take care, thank you.